Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play Together invite not working using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken connection links on your current setup session, so your game invitations travel safely to your friends' screens. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel and enable the Beta Test mode. The first step is to open the main configuration menu inside your game application window and switch your software version to the testing mode to bypass any active bugs in the standard files. Move your mouse pointer up to the top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the word Steam, find the button labeled Settings, click the row that says Interface, look for Client Beta Participation, and change it to the Active Testing option. Watch for a prompt asking you to restart the application, click the Update button, and wait for the program to turn back on with its fresh background files. Because regular software updates can sometimes contain hidden blockades that freeze invitation links. By jumping into the testing version, you download the newest quick fixes written straight into the system memory card. This step clears out the stale, broken communication code and opens a clean path for your multiplayer tools to wake up. Step 2. Turn on the main remote play feature switch. Next, you need to check your feature list inside that same options panel to make sure your computer is actually allowed to host outside players on your screen canvas rows. Open your settings window again, click on the row that says Remote Play on the left side, look at the very top checkbox option, and click it once to make sure it is turned on. Verify that the primary option row lights up with a bright blue background or a clear checkmark, confirming the sharing assistant is wide awake. Because if this master switch is left asleep in your profile files, the software engine will instantly block any game invitations you try to send. Turning this switch on tells the computer that it is perfectly safe to share your game screen with a friend. Without this switch active, the invite buttons in your friend list will remain completely gray or broken. Now you need to launch your multiplayer game, get past the main menu screen, and hold down a specific keyboard shortcut to slide open your hidden friend interaction panel. Click the big green play button to start your game, wait for it to load completely on your monitor, and then press the Shift key and the Tab key together at the same time on your keyboard. Watch for your game screen to dim slightly as your friends list and chat boxes pop up flat against your background canvas. Because you cannot send a live game link from your standard computer desktop while a game is running, you must use this overlay lane to bridge the gap between your game world and your account network. If this panel fails to open, you need to check your application settings to make sure the overlay checkbox isn't turned off. Move your mouse pointer over to your friends list window, find the person you want to play with, click your right mouse button directly on their profile picture, look for the choice that says Invite to Game, and click it once. And that's it. To fix Steam Remote Play Together invite not working, you must first open your settings window and turn on Client Beta Participation to download the fresh repair files. Then you move your mouse to the Remote Play row and ensure the Master Feature switch is turned on your screen canvas rows. Next, you launch your game and press Shift and Tab together to slide open your friend overlay panel. Finally, you right-click your friend's name and choose Invite to Game to send a clean working invitation link instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.